Concatenating two lists, difference between a plus equals a and extend. I've seen there are actually two, maybe more, ways to concatenate lists in Python. One way is to use the extend method. The other to use the plus operator. Now I wonder, which of those two options is there a Pythonic way to do list concatenation, and is there a difference between the two? I've looked up the official Python tutorial but couldn't find anything about this topic.
The only difference on a bytecode level is that the .extend way involves a function call, which is slightly more expensive in Python than the inplace_add. It's really nothing you should be worrying about, unless you're performing this operation billions of times. It is likely, however, that the bottleneck would lie someplace else.
You can't use plus equals for non-local variable which is not local, for function and also not global. It's because for extend case compiler will load the variable L using load_def instruction, but for plus equals it will use load_fast, and you get unbound localer column local variable L referenced before assignment.
Plus equals only works if the statement would also work with an equal sign, i.e. the left-hand side can be assigned to. This is because a plus equals b actually becomes a equals a dot underscore underscore I add underscore underscore b under the hood. So if a is something that can't be assigned to either by syntax or semantics, such as a function call or an element of an immutable container, the plus equals version will fail. Example 1, function calls. You can't assign to a function call, the syntax of Python forbids it, so you also can't plus equals a function call's result directly. Example 2, element of immutable container. A perhaps weirder case is when the list is an element of an immutable container, e.g. a tuple. Since you can't do my_tuple, 0, equals something, you also can't do plus equals. To sum up, you can use plus equals if you can use equals.
I would say that there is some difference when it comes with number py. I just saw that the question asked about concatenating two lists, not number py array, but since it might be a issue for beginner, such as me, I hope this can help someone who seek the solution to this post, for x. It will return with error. Value error, operands could not be broadcast together with shapes, 0, 4, 4, 4. b.extend, a, works perfectly.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.